Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add Zoom meeting in Google Calendar. First of all, open up your preferred browser and search for Zoom Google Chrome extension. After that, click on very first site of your web browser and you will be redirected to this page. Here, click on Add to Chrome button, then click on Add Extension and the extension will add it to your browser. Now, go back to your browser and click on this dotted icon. Here, select Calendar and this page will open up. In this page, click on any date and a pop-up will appear on your screen. Inside this pop-up, you can add the title of your meeting. At the bottom right of this pop-up, you will see Make it a Zoom meeting option. Simply click on this option. Now, first you have to be signed into your Zoom account. So, enter your email and password and you will be signed into your Zoom account. After signing in, click on the Make it Zoom meeting feature and your Zoom meeting will be created. Now, click on the Zoom meeting option and you will see your Zoom meeting link and meeting ID if you want others to join you. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.